Hello guys, today we are introducing the amazing website to create all type of logos, posts, ads, thumbnails and much more. Its name is Canva. Let's go to the website and check it. Open this website. After signing in, you will face this page. These are our recent designs. You can also create docs, whiteboard, Instagram story, Instagram post, YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail, videos, Facebook posts, resumes, of 4 documents, presentations, stories, wallpapers, letterheads, flyers, Facebook covers, infographic, posters, animated social media, logos, and invitations. Let's search cooking post for Instagram. Here you can see many of the templates. Now let's search thumbnails for tech. Here you can also check many of the templates. You can't use pro templates without paying. Let's use this template to create thumbnail for us. Click on it. Now you can manage it as you want.
Cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Cause you're gonna get burned. They say you should never roll all the dice without a hand. It's make or break when you never did stand a chance. Tell me, son, don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you climb your way up. Do it on your own when you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you find too close to the sun. Cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Nothing in the world could ever be good again. I've been nothing but a girl who really should be nothing less. Don't mess up, and don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you climb your way up. Do it on your own when you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you find too close to the sun. Cause you're gonna get burned. different. They say you should never roll all the dice without a hand. It's make or break when you never did stand a chance. Tell me, side, don't you